everyone, welcome to College News. I'm Lakshmi Sri, student of Journalism and Mass Communication. On 23rd of November, Department of PG Studies in Commerce in association with English Speakers Forum have conducted foundation course in English for PG students for 1 week. The chief guest for this program was Srimati Kusuma Yam, Associate Professor and Head of Department of English, and Dr. Vinuta MS was the resource person for this program, and she taught about the dialect fluctuations, etymology, and simple grammar for students. This program was presided by the principal of our college, Dr. K.T. Krishnegowda, Dr. Ramesh V, Mr. Harish Hetchen, other teaching staffs and non-teaching staffs and students were present in this program. The further details of this program will be given by Anushree. Please have a look.
Foundation course in English for PG students was conducted for 1 week from 23rd of November up to 1st of December at Government First Grade College for Women, Hassan. This training course was organized by the Department of Commerce PG in association with English Speakers Forum. This program was inaugurated on 23rd of November by the principal of our college, Dr. K.T. Krishnegowda. And he said, in today's competitive world, if you become fluent in English language, there will be greater opportunities coming to you. You must learn to speak any language purely. He hoped that only then the students' language level would be increased. Srimati Kusumayam, Associate Professor and the Head of Department in English, was the chief guest this program and explained the importance of languages proficiency in English. Dr. Vinuta MS was the resource person for this training course and taught English etymology, dialect fluctuations and simple grammar for the students. In addition to it explained the art of reading and spoke about the kind of books to be read and made it easy for students to understand. This training program was ended on 1st of December. Dr. Ramesh V was the organizer of this program and Mr. Harish Hetchen was the convener of the program.